Yan, congratulations! Player of the game, Darison. Darison ba talaga? Darison, yeah. Grabe yung game nyo. Ang laki na lamang yung first quarter, then nahabol nila, tapos dumikit pa, nag-overtime pa tayo. Ano sabi niyo sa game nyo today?
Yun nga, advance kami pero we had to spread out the minutes sa mga teammates natin. Pero next time, gotta stay locked in more, you know. Kailangan consistent yung puntos. We put ourselves on that place na nag-overtime pa, so we have to be better next time.
Yeah, I think and then yung defense nyo, nawala na rin pa ng second.
Exactly.
May shoutout na ito.
Shoutout sa inyo, shoutout sa Tampalasan for a good game. And obviously, shoutout sa teammates ko, sa sponsor namin sa Chung Chun. And shoutout to my girlfriend. Kaya ito din, kay Kyle.
Okay, once again, congratulations! Chung Barry. Thank you so much. Thank you.